Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Gold gained after an inflation print came in line with expectations, boosting the likelihood of a Federal Reserve rate cut next week, while investors awaited US producer price index data for further direction on monetary policy. Wall Street stocks jumped as a rally in tech stocks boosted the Nasdaq above the 20,000-point milestone for the first time, after a US inflation report boosted expectations of a Federal Reserve interest rate cut. A meteoric rise in MicroStrategy's shares has made the Bitcoin hoarder a likely candidate for the tech-heavy Nasdaq 100 index ahead of an annual reshuffle this week. The loss-making software company, an aggressive investor in the highly volatile cryptocurrency, has seen its shares soar nearly 500% this year, taking its market capitalization to $90 billion. The last session saw the euro fall 0.3% against the dollar. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 3.3% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The pound dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. Coming soon, the economic calendar will present key data points and reports that investors are likely to analyse closely for trading cues. These updates, whether high or moderate in impact, will offer valuable insights for market forecasts. These economic data points could act as triggers for market shifts. Being informed and prepared can make all the difference in effective trading and investing.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.